Have you ever wondered why some people sleep better in one position over another? Some folks love lying on their stomachs while others prefer their right or left side. There are those who curl up in a fetal position, and some who sleep sprawled out on their backs. Then there are people who enjoy wearing pajamas and those who sleep without them. Some love having blankets on, while others like feeling free without them. If you've never thought about the best way to sleep, you're in for a treat. Thanks to a Zen story, you'll learn what happens if you sleep on your left side. Stick around because what you're about to hear might just change your sleeping habits forever. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss our new content. In a peaceful Buddhist monastery nestled in the serene mountains of Japan, surrounded by tranquil gardens, an elderly and wise monk named Shinzo decided it was time to share some profound insights about sleeping positions. The moon, shining brightly in the night sky, cast a gentle glow, adding to the contemplative atmosphere among the gathered disciples in the main hall. Shinzo, seated comfortably on a tatami mat, began speaking in a calm and soothing voice. Today, dear disciples, we will explore why sleeping on your left side is the best thing you can do for your health and well-being, the monk began. We'll delve into the deep connections between left-sided sleep, its numerous benefits for our body, and its impact on our spiritual growth. You will come to understand why Buddhist monks have chosen to sleep on their left side for centuries. As the disciples listened with great interest, Shinzo continued, in ancient Eastern traditions, the interconnectedness of the body, mind, and spirit was considered crucial for achieving wisdom and balance. Sleeping on the left side has always held significant importance. This choice is not arbitrary. It reflects a profound understanding of the principles that guide the practice of sleep. The first benefit of sleeping on the left side, said the monk, is optimal lymphatic drainage. The lymphatic system, which functions like a quiet river flowing through our body, benefits greatly from this position. The left side of our body aids this flow because it carries proteins, glucose, and other essential substances. By sleeping on this side, we facilitate the clearing of this path, helping our body eliminate toxins in a manner similar to a river carrying away dry leaves. With a kind and gentle look, Shinzo shared the second benefit. The stomach and pancreas are like the deities of our internal temple, he said. When we sleep on our left side, we create a space for these organs to perform their vital functions efficiently. This act is not merely physical, it's akin to inviting them to a harmonious dance, where they prepare our body for the new day ahead. The monk, pleased to see his disciples so engaged, went on to describe the third benefit, purification. Sleeping on your left side promotes the smooth flow of digestive waste through your body, much like a stream flowing through fertile soil. This process transforms the intestines into a garden where nutrients are absorbed, and by morning, our body is rejuvenated and ready for a fresh start. Under the soft and ambient light of the room, Shinzo spoke about another critical benefit, heart health. Our heart is the ruler of our body, he said with a warm smile. By sleeping on the left side, we provide the heart with an ideal environment to function optimally. The aorta, which carries blood from the heart, arches to the left, facilitating a more harmonious blood flow. The monk then turned his attention to the spleen, referring to it as the body's devoted handmaiden. This often overlooked organ finds tranquility when we sleep on our left side, he explained. Bodily fluids reach the spleen much like pilgrims arriving at a sanctuary, nourishing and invigorating it. And how have you slept until today? Shinzo asked. Write it in the comments and let's discuss the topic. If you're enjoying the video, please leave a like and share it. Your support helps us create new content every day for your spiritual growth. With a deep and contemplative gaze, Shinzo introduced the sixth benefit with poetic flair. Just as nature follows the course of the river, sleeping on the left side aligns us with gravity, our silent guide at night. Gravity aids our lymphatic system in working efficiently, enhancing our body's purification process. In resting on the left side, the master continued, we achieve a balance between body and mind. This practice is not solely about comfort, it's about enriching our health and our connection with the world around us. It is a true celebration of life that reveals itself in our dreams and quiet moments. Sleeping in this manner is not merely resting, it's an opportunity for inner and spiritual awakening. Shinzo, smiling at his attentive disciples, explained the balance between yin and yang in sleep. The left side, with its yin nature, envelops us like a gentle nighttime embrace. This serene practice is a gift, an offering to our inner self. He then shared stories of monks who felt their energy flow like a calm river while practicing left-sided sleep. This harmony, he said, extends beyond physical benefits, touching the spiritual realm. The monk also recounted tales of elderly monks who experienced greater flexibility and strength in their meditation practice through left-sided sleep. This practice prepares both the mind and body for enlightenment, he said. It is not confined to the monastery. You can bring it into your home and honor your body as a sacred temple. Shinzo added, nature itself guides us to align our sleep with the natural rhythms of the world. The left side, much like a leaf dancing in the wind, connects us to this eternal flow. As the disciples listened with rapt attention, Shinzo shared even more benefits of sleeping on the left side. Sleeping in this position, he said, aids in breathing. When you lie on your left side, your trachea and esophagus align more effectively with your spine, making breathing easier. The diaphragm, situated beneath the lungs, moves more freely, promoting deep and smooth breaths. And since the heart resides on the left side of the chest, he continued, sleeping in this manner reduces pressure on the heart and enhances blood circulation. It can also help prevent acid reflux, as in this position, the stomach is positioned lower than the esophagus, reducing the risk of gastric juices backing up. Moreover, Shinzo added, sleeping on your left side supports the spine, maintaining its natural S shape. This minimizes stress on your discs and joints, leading to a tension-free awakening. Remember, the monk advised, sleeping on your left side is more than just an improved way to rest. It is a path to increased awareness and spiritual growth. Buddhist monks, who have long understood the body-mind connection, have always favored the left side for sleep. You should consider trying it too, for the benefit of both your body and mind. Shinzo's words resonated deeply within the peaceful hall, leaving the disciples thoughtful and inspired. His teachings were not solely about sleep, but offered a deeper understanding of one's body and spirit. As they prepared for their night's rest, the disciples carried with them the wisdom of their master, ready to embrace the numerous benefits of sleeping on their left side. In the days that followed, the disciples observed positive changes in their bodies and minds. They felt more refreshed, experienced improved digestion, and found that their meditation practices deepened. The simple act of altering their sleep position brought profound benefits, affirming the wisdom of ancient traditions. Shinzo's teachings soon spread beyond the monastery. Visitors who heard about the benefits of left-sided sleep began practicing it and reported similar improvements. The knowledge that had been passed down through generations of monks now reached a broader audience, helping many achieve better health and spiritual balance. In conclusion, the story of sleeping on the left side transcends mere health benefits. It is a journey into understanding the intricate connections between our physical and spiritual selves. By embracing this practice, we align ourselves with ancient wisdom, offering our bodies a pathway to better health and our minds a gateway to deeper awareness. So, the next time you lie down to sleep, consider the left side and let the teachings of Shinzo guide you to a night of restorative rest and spiritual awakening.